students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 mathematics, chapter 9, rational numbers, exercise 9.3. So let's solve the textbook exercise. First question is, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. First one is 4p q plus r. So 4p into q plus r. So we will multiply 4p with q and then with r. So 4p into q plus 4p into r. That is 4pq plus 4pr. AB, a minus b. So AB bracket a minus b. So AB into a first minus AB into b. So AB into a is a square b. AB into b is a b square. So it is a square b minus ab square. AB a plus b 7 a square b square. So first we will multiply a with 7 a square b square. So we will get a into 7 a square b square plus b into 7 a square b square. Here a, so this will become 7 a cube b square plus b 7 a square b cube. Next a square minus 9 4a. So a square minus 9 into 4a. So a square into 4a minus 9 into 4a. So a square into 4a will become 4a cube minus 36a. PQ plus QR plus RP and 0. Any number which we multiplied with 0, the answer will be 0. So if you are multiplying this whole equation with 0, the answer will be 0 only. Next, question 2, complete the table. The first expression is given, second expression is given. We have to find the product. Okay, so let's solve the table. So first expression is a into b plus c plus d. So we will multiply a with b, then with c and then with d. So that is a into b plus a into c plus a into d. So we will get ab plus ac plus ad. Then x plus y minus 5. Then 5xy. So 5xy will be multiplied with 3 of this. So x into 5xy plus y into 5xy minus 5 into 5xy. So we will get 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. P into 6p square minus 7p into plus 5. This p we will multiply with 3 of this. So p into 6p square minus p into 7p plus p into 5. So p into 6p square we will get 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. Next, 4p square q square into p square minus q square equals to 4p square q square into p square minus 4p square q square into q square. We will get 4p raised to 4 q square minus 4p square q raised to 4. A plus b plus c into abc. So we will multiply abc with 3 of this. So a into abc plus b into abc plus c into abc. So we will get a square bc plus ab square c plus abc square. Third question, find the products. A square into 2a raised to 22 into 4a raised to 26. So here the coefficient is 1, here it is 2, and here it is 4. So 1 into 2 into 4 into a, because all are a, variables are a. We will add all the exponents. So 2 plus 22 plus 26, that is 8a raised to 50. 2 upon 3xy into minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. So 2 upon 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into x 1 plus 2 into y 1 plus 2. So we can cut this 3 and 9 with 3, 2 and 10 with 5. So we will get minus 3 upon 5 into x cube y cube. Next, minus 10 upon 3 pq cube into 6 upon 5 pq p cube q. So minus 10 upon 3 into 6 upon 5 into p 1 plus 3 q 3 plus 1. So we cut this 3 and 6, 5 and 10. So we will get minus 4 p raised to 4 q raised to 4. Fourth, x into x square into x cube into x raised to 4. We will just add all the exponents. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So x raised to 10. Next question 4. Simplify. 3x bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x equals to 3 and second is x equals to half. So the equation is 3x bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3. So we will put the value of x, that is 3, in place of x. So we will get 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3, that is 12 into 9 minus 45 plus 3, that is 108 minus 42 equals to 66. Second, we have to put the half. So 12 bracket half square minus 15 bracket half plus 3. So half square is 1 by 4. So 12 into 1 by 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. So we can cut this 4 and 12. So 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. So 6 minus 15 plus 6 upon 2. So 12 minus 15 upon 2, that is minus 3 upon 2. A bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. Find the value of a equals to 0, a equals to 1, a equals to minus 1. So a bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. A square into a plus a into a plus 1 into a plus 5. So a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. So a equals to 0. So 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5 equals to 5. A equals to 1. So 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5 equals to 8. Minus 1. So minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 5. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 5, that is 4. Fifth question, add. P bracket P minus Q, Q bracket Q minus R, and R bracket r minus p. Now we have to add all this. So p, first we will open the bracket. So p into p minus p into q plus q into q minus q into r plus r into r minus r into p. So p into p is p square minus p into q is minus pq. Q into q is q square minus q into r is qr plus r into r is r square minus r into p is rp. So p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus pqr minus rp. Second, 2x bracket z minus x minus y and 2y bracket z minus y minus z x. So 2x into z minus 2x into z x minus 2x into y plus 2y into z minus 2y into y in minus 2y into x. So 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Here xy is the same, so we will simplify those who are same. So minus 2x square minus 2y square minus 2xz minus 2yz minus 4xy. We can arrange them or we can leave it as it is. Next, subtract 3l bracket l minus 4m plus 5m from 4l bracket 10n minus 3m plus 2l. So 4l bracket 4l into 10n minus 4l into 3m plus 4l into 2l minus 3l into l minus 3l into minus 4m minus 3l into 5m. So 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8l square minus 3l square plus 12 lm minus 15 ln. Now 40 ln and 15 ln is same. So 40 ln minus 15 ln, that is 25 ln. Then 12 minus 12 lm plus 12 lm, so that is 0. 8l square minus 3l square, so that is plus 5l square. So it is 25 ln plus 5l square. Next, 3a bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b a minus b plus c from 4c minus a plus b plus c. So 4c minus a, so minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc. Now we will open the brackets. So minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square. This minus, here it is minus before the bracket, so now the sign will change. So minus 3ab minus 3ac plus 2ab minus 2b square plus 2bc. So minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus ab plus 6bc minus 7ac. So this was exercise 9.3 of chapter 9 class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave the comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.